Alright, so this battery replacement is pretty straightforward. Just first we have to remove this cable, so flip this latch up. Just use my fingernail like that. Once you flip that latch up, make sure to grab only on this flat side. Don't try and pinch the folded edge. And then we're going to kind of wiggle and pull this back. And we just need to remove that so that we can get to this screw here. Okay, there's only 3 screws holding this battery down, so we'll get this one out. Okay, keep the screws in order, and there's 1 screw over here. Okay, and then pretty straightforward, we're just gonna take this battery out and then put a new one in. So there's these little raised areas that kind of hold the battery in place, but because this one's inflated, it's not being held in place. So here, and then this one here. So we're gonna have to just lift the battery out, so just get underneath there and lift it up, and be careful with this cable, you don't want to tear that, so go ahead and lift that. So I already disconnected this cable. Basically you just grab the little edges and you kind of just wiggle it as you pull it back. But there we go. Now we're going to lift and pull this battery out. Alright, and there we go. And then the replacement you just put back doing the opposite way. So let me get the replacement and I'll be back. Oh, and one thing I forgot to mention, make sure you keep track of which side is which, so you see the red cables are to the right and the black ones are to the left. Alright, that's important. If you have the cable flipped upside down, you can damage the computer. Alright, so here's the replacement battery. As you can see, this one isn't all inflated and puffed up. I'm probably going to need 2 hands to do this, but let me try. So I'm going to get this underneath this cable. Okay, it's hard to do this with 1 hand, but alright, once you get under that cable, we're just going to line this up with the little raised notch like before. Okay, sorry, this cable's getting in the way. Okay, so let me kind of bend this so it's not getting in the way. There we go. Alright, so we're just going to get this over. What is it getting caught on? Alright, and then just line up that little notch there. And then line up the notch down here, and then we just put the screws back in and pop the cable in, and we're good to go. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Sorry, I'm doing a bad job recording this because I'm just holding the camera, but that's pretty much it. We'll get those 3 screws in, and yeah, if you want to see how to remove the bottom cover and everything else, that's in another video. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hopefully this video helped you guys. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and share my channel. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye. I forgot. Make sure to get this cable back in. Okay, this is difficult with 1 hand, but get that cable back in. Okay. I mean, you get the idea. That cable in. It helps to use the edge of this piece to help push it with your fingernail. Okay, once you get that completely in, then we just flop this back down. Alright, there we go. And then of course you just plug this cable back in, but I have to change the screen. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.